retail sales data for September will be coming out at 7:30 a.m. Redbook retail sales for the week will be coming out at 7:55. The Case-Shiller 20 Metro home prices for September will be coming out at 8. The Richmond Fed, they're going to update their monthly manufacturing sector index for November at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm looking to see here. I know I missed one of them. There we go. All right. Then the Conference Board U.S. Consumer Confidence Index will come out at 7:30. The August business inventory data will be out at 9 o'clock. Isn't this wild how much we're going to get? And the API numbers at 3:30 in the afternoon. Now, in terms of markets, we had a heck of a rally go on in the gold market. It sold off tonight $14, but it's back up to $41.2860. You're up 58 cents in the silver, but it's losing a bit to the gold market at these points. The copper market backed off, and the reason it's backing off is some of the merger talks that were going on have fallen to the wayside, but there's other ways to get these things done, and that seems to be what the markets are trying to do. Energy prices tonight, as you can see, pretty stable, actually. Bonds and notes not going anywhere, as there's still major friction talk about is the Fed going to cut interest rates or not, and that is definitely a problem. When we take a look at the gold, the market came up, back, and it's back up. And for the week at this point, it's up 1.29% or $52.50. When we come to the chart action here, you can see how the market's trying to lift itself. The swing line study does have higher lows and higher highs, which is bullish. When we take a look at how you're at here in relation to the 18-day moving average of closes, you can see that the market is staying over it. And the last rally high had been right here at 41.3430, and you've already taken that out. So what would hurt this market is getting back underneath this low of 40.1810, but barring that, the market's back in an uptrend with upside bias. The Bollinger Band is one of the objectives near the 42.0670 level. And in momentum, it's just starting to turn back up. So the bulls have regained control in the gold market. When I look at the gold-silver ratio, you had come up today, and for a moment there, you had actually gotten over the 18-day average, and by the end of it, the silver had regained itself against the gold market. As you see in the silver, though, the silver chart, unlike gold, is not in an uptrend. The swing line is down. Look at these arrows pointing with lower highs, lower lows. The bias is certainly up as the market's over the 18-day average, but your momentum is still pointing slightly down. In the copper market, I see lower highs, lower lows. As I've said repeatedly, the support is the combination of the 100-day average in green, the 200-day average in the gray, and the Bollinger Band. The resistance is the 18-day average since the market is under it. The trend is down, the bias is down, and momentum is pointing down. In the platinum market, it's void of a trend. I see a higher high, see that? Then the lower low. The market keeps coming back to the 18-day average or the Bollinger Band, and it just seems to be caught in between the two. And even if the market takes off tomorrow, on the current pattern, it doesn't turn into an uptrend. So I see nothing fresh for you to do. Last but not least is the Dees Dollar Index. The market is in an overbought territory. It has a pattern of higher lows, higher highs, but big resistance here at the 135 level, and it's overbought. So I'm not looking for new buying to hit the markets. I'm looking for the stock markets to try to figure out what do they want to do going into the holiday. And remember, the holiday travel has begun. People are all over. You're seeing me do these videos already different than you saw them before. And the reason for that is I'm on the portable computer now and will be that way for about a week and a half. So we have to get used to this. You won't see my beautiful face anymore. Remember, if you go up to the top here on the cursors, what will happen? You can move it there and you can sign up for any of our free offers or go into the research. And if you're watching this on YouTube, it'll be over here that you can watch that. With that, I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a great day. And I will catch up with you all in the other videos tonight or see you first thing in the morning. Take care.